Hey everyone, and welcome to Fat Guy Tries. I'm the fat guy, and it's unbelievable. It's the end of April, which means we are already about a third of the way through the year. And so much has passed me by this year, like Girl Scout cookie season. Girl Scout cookie season is unfortunately come and gone. It's no more, but it is blizzard season. As we get closer to the summer, DQ has been kind enough to unveil their all new summer blizzard menu, and I've been trying all the different flavors, and I've got one here today. This is my first time having this. This is the Girl Scout Thin Mints Blizzard. Now, I love Girl Scout cookies as much as the next fat guy that does things. And Thin Mints are not my favorite, actually, but I really like to put them in the freezer because I like my Thin Mints a little cold. I never dreamed they could be this cold, but take a look at that. Doesn't that look good? They filled it pretty much to the top too, which is really generous of them. I can see they have like that kind of green food coloring. Just a little sample there. Just slipping down my cup. That green food coloring that you see in like a Shamrock Shake, it's kind of like a darker green than the rest of it in your typical mint ice cream. So this looks fantastic. It's not the warmest day today. It's a little gray out, but let's go ahead and get into this summer blizzard. It's the Girl Scout Thin Mints Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So, first bite, here we go. Ooh. That is minty. Ooh. Making my breath a little cool. See, we got these cookie pieces in here. I think they really do make this with the Girl Scout cookies too. This is like some deal they struck with them. So, I mean, I'm sure anyone could replicate it and call it like a Girl Scout cookies, ice cream or whatever. But this is the real deal, and I can tell just by the taste. Magnificent. The ice cream itself, it's a little hard to tell because it's hard to find like isolated bits of ice cream. I think it's mint. It's about as mint as like a Shamrock Shake is, It's not like the mintiest. I like a good mint chocolate chip ice cream myself, but for the purposes of this blizzard, it definitely suffices. So, give it one more try and wrap up this review, because I've found that the less time I spend reviewing and talking about it, the more time I can enjoy eating it. This isn't a new flavor or anything. They've done this before, unlike the Gummy Worms Blizzard, but this is my first time trying it, and I gotta say, I quite enjoy it. Like I said, I find Thin Mints to be best when they're frozen. This sort of captures that. Like I said, the ice cream is about what you'd expect from a typical like mint offering. It's not like the mintiest ice cream, but I think it definitely complements the cookie part of this very well. So, for the Girl Scout Thin Mints Cookie Blizzard, I gotta say that's a thumbs up from me. I know they've done like peanut butter, like the Tag-Along Blizzard too, so I really hope to see more of these like Girl Scout cookie blizzards in the future, so that I can review them here on the channel. Maybe I'll do a Girl Scout cookies review next year on the channel. I tend to buy a lot of cookies every year, so might as well share that with you, the audience. But if you know, you know. Girl Scout cookies are the best. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Plenty more of these to come. I don't think they're kind of billing different ones as Blizzards of the Month, so I'm not even gonna really try and like bill any of them as Blizzard of the Month. To me, they're all on the summer menu, unless they specifically like, this is the exclusive June Blizzard of the Month, you know, like different from the rest of the menu, then yeah, I'm gonna review it as such. But just so you can understand that little convention. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day.